SolarWinds Database Performance Analyzer is a great tool to monitor your database experience, whether you have queries that are running slow, ones that are executing incredibly fast, or whether you just have variations from a trend. One of the upkeeps of that is you've got to put databases in and out of monitoring. You have to either tell them to watch these ones or to watch these other ones, or all of a sudden this one got decommissioned, so now you need to pull it out. And one of the things we've heard from our customers is it would be nice to automate this in some ways. So what we've done in the past couple of releases is we've actually stood up a RESTful API that you can interact with. Let me show you how to get started with that. So from the main Database Performance Analyzer page, just go to Options. Under Options and Support in the Utilities group, you'll have Management API Documentation. The RESTful API is exposed as a Swagger interface, so we'll give you a full documentation on how to work with this. So we'll just click here. And in here we have multiple calls, information on how to build them up and tear them down, and also have links at the top for both Python and PowerShell examples. But if you want to explore on your own about starting and stopping monitors, the place you want to start is under here, Database Registration. So we'll go ahead and expand that. And we have two options. We can register or unregister database monitoring. So if we expand the first, here it is. This is all the information you need to actually call and register a new database instance. So database registration takes a couple of fields, whether or not it's an RDS, the type of database it is, whether it's got Oracle, whether it's bypass or systems passwords. All this information you need to actually build it up. The same stuff you'd actually enter if you actually went through the wizard in the web browser. The great part about using Swagger and the RESTful API is you can actually try it out for yourself. So you can actually just hit try it out, change your settings in here, and then hit execute. That'll actually send that bundle of information out to the RESTful API and give you a callback and let you know whether or not the database has been registered or not. The same kind of calls can be made for database deregistration. So you can go ahead and just put in the database ID number from the system, removing the monitoring users. Like I said, the same thing you've done through the web interface before. And again, try it out and execute. So sometimes people ask, why do you have these RESTful APIs? And specifically for Database Performance Analyzer, it's because we want to give you the power to automate as necessary. If you have a build script that builds up a database and puts it on a specific server with a specific instance name, then you already have all that information. And you can put this API call at the end of that and make sure that database is monitored from jump.